candy you share with your friends to the skyscrapers touching the clouds. There's an invisible thread tying our world together, a language that helps us solve life's puzzles. Hi, I'm Sharmila, your go-to-go for all things fun and educational. Today, we are diving into the world of algebra. So let's get started. In math, letters are used to represent the variables. Example, x, y, or z. And these letters, they can stand for any numbers. In math, all the numbers are constant. Example, 2, 3, 5, including the negative numbers as well. -6, -8. Therefore, this is constant. And these are called variables. An algebraic term or a number is formed when a constant, example 2, is multiplied with a variable, example x. 2 times x is 2x. Another example, 3 is multiplied with y. 3 times y is 3y. We can even team up 5, x and y together to form a single algebraic number. So these are called algebraic numbers or terms. Coefficient is the numerical value or the constant in front of a variable. In 2x, 2 is the coefficient. In 3y, 3 is the coefficient. Likewise, in 5xy, 5 will be the coefficient. Sometimes this variable in an algebraic term can be raised to a power. Example, 2x cubed. This 3 is the exponent. Likewise, in 3, y to the power 5, this 5 is the exponent. In question number 1, identify the coefficients, variables and exponents. The coefficient is 5. Variables are, we have two variables here, x and y. The exponents are 4 and 2. In question number 2, the coefficient is 8. The variables are x, y and z. The exponents are 3, 6 and 2. Alright kids, hope the concept is clear. Thank you for watching and may God bless you.